Welcome back to the MotorMax channel, folks. Today, we're talking about one of Harley Davidson's most iconic touring bikes, the Harley Davidson Road Glide. If you're a fan of long-distance cruising with comfort and style, this is the bike you've been waiting for. Let's take a deep dive into what makes the Road Glide one of the most sought-after machines in the touring world. Design and aesthetics. The Harley Davidson Road Glide is all about presence. From its aggressive front fairing to its sleek body lines, this bike is built to turn heads. The standout feature is that shark nose fairing, which not only adds to the bike's muscular look but also improves aerodynamics and wind protection. With new color options and sharp finishes, the Road Glide stands out in a crowd while offering riders that unmistakable Harley attitude. Performance and engine. At the heart of the Road Glide lies the powerful Milwaukee 8 V-twin engine. This 1,750cc beast produces impressive torque and is more than capable of cruising effortlessly on highways. With the right combination of low-end power and smooth top-end delivery, the Road Glide excels at long-distance touring. Whether you're rolling through city streets or taking on the open road, the engine provides a smooth and thrilling ride. Combined with a 6-speed transmission, you can expect consistent performance no matter where your ride takes you. Comfort and technology. When it comes to touring, comfort is king, and the Road Glide delivers. With its comfortable saddle, spacious rider and passenger seating, and adjustable suspension, the Road Glide ensures that your long rides stay enjoyable. It also features the Reflex Defensive Rider System, RDRS, which includes cornering advanced ABS, traction control, and tire pressure monitoring, offering riders added confidence no matter the road conditions. On the tech front, the Road Glide comes equipped with the Boombox GTS infotainment system, featuring a touchscreen, Bluetooth connectivity, and navigation. Whether you're listening to your favorite tunes or getting real-time traffic updates, the system enhances the overall touring experience. Handling and rideability. Despite its size, the Harley Davidson Road Glide is surprisingly nimble on the road. The bike is built with a comfortable yet responsive suspension system that adapts to various road conditions. The touring frame helps keep the bike stable even when you're leaning into corners. Plus, the low center of gravity makes it easier to handle at slower speeds, which is a great benefit when navigating tight spaces or crowded city streets. Storage and convenience. One of the key selling points of the Road Glide is its ample storage. The saddlebags offer generous space for all your gear, and they're easy to open and close. Whether you're headed out for a weekend getaway or a cross-country tour, you won't be running short on storage space. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Harley Davidson Road Glide is a top-tier touring bike that combines power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. It's built for riders who want to take their journeys to the next level without compromising on style or performance. If you're looking for the ultimate in touring comfort and a machine that's ready to handle the open road, the Road Glide could be the bike for you. Thanks for tuning in to this review. If you like the video, hit that like button, leave your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest in motorcycles. Until next time.